So if we're just taking a look at Vechain then in the local time frame, as we can see, we are coming down and back testing that 100 moving average. Obviously I said in the last video that it's most likely will come down to this level because Bitcoin's obviously been retracing. So Vechain coming down looking for a bit of support after this nice 1, 2, 3 and looking for that 4, back testing that bullish market structure. Obviously the breakout of that big long range consolidation for the bear market is really good, and right now we are essentially just looking like we're going to be getting some back testing and continuation going into the bull market. Obviously the halving next month and Bitcoin making the all-time highs recently, having a little bit of a retrace as you would expect after that huge parabolic move we've been seeing. And you can see here Vechain is basically doing the same thing, just bouncing up off its lows, having a few nice parabolic moves here as you can see. Had a bit of a consolidation recently and then broke down after Bitcoin was essentially having a little bit of a retrace, which is totally fine. Overall, right now we're just looking at Vechain just back testing this 100 moving average along with that previous swing here as you can see, and also the bear market resistance flipped into support would be really nice to see as well, which is pretty much what we are going to be seeing here, I think. As you can see, we've got our resistances here and our final resistance, which did get broken, and now looking like we might back test into this area. I said in the previous video that we could see anywhere from around 3 to 4 cents in my opinion somewhere here for a nice back test before continuation. And obviously with Bitcoin looking like it's essentially still retracing and going, or at least very least going sideways over the next few weeks in my opinion, unless we see a really huge reversal off that retracement that we've seen. We're down around 15% for Bitcoin, so obviously Vechain's going to come down, currently sitting at around down 32% on that local swing low here into the back test of the 100 moving average. So obviously altcoins are always correlated to Bitcoin during bull markets, apart from when you get those crazy alt seasons, but right now things looking completely fine. We're basically just sat here waiting for the next move for Vechain, back testing right now. Let's see if we can hold this area as support. If that's the case, we'll be looking at a nice bounce to the upside. I think Bitcoin's probably going to start bottoming out soon, going sideways at the very least, so be interesting to see what happens next. But right now things looking totally fine for Vechain. Just waiting and seeing what happens next with Bitcoin. So